Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening VS Code and invoking the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P or CMD plus Shift plus P. This gets you straight to theme controls. Once the palette appears, type Preferences, Color Theme, and press Enter to reveal the built-in theme list. You do this now because the color theme selector switches modes centrally, avoiding extensions. Make sure to watch the preview as you arrow through options so you know how each theme affects editor panels, terminal, and icon contrast. Once the color theme list is visible, type Light to filter only light options and use the arrow keys to preview each instantly. Previews apply to the window so you can judge contrast. When you see the light theme you prefer, press Enter to set it. If no built-in option fits, open Extensions, Ctrl plus Shift plus X or CMD plus Shift plus X. Search Light Theme, install one, and repeat the palette step to pick the new theme. This gives consistent editor and terminal brightness. You finish by saving the choice to the workspace or user settings so the light theme sticks across sessions. Go to Settings and confirm Workbench. Color theme reflects your selection. If it reverts, open Settings. JSON and look for conflicting entries or a synced setting from another machine. Remove or override them. Also, disable extensions that forcibly set themes. Once resolved, restart VS Code to ensure integrated terminal and status bar match the chosen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.